Have you ever used a drill through button in Power BI? So it could look like this, where you are in Power BI and you see your table and you see some grayed out button here. And when you hover over it, it says to drill through, you need to select one of these data points. And if I click on December, this button is suddenly colored. I could click on it and actually go to the drill through page and then go back again. So this is a button that you can implement, which can be very handy because end users often forget about drill through functionality. They just simply forget that it exists, or they know it exists, but they have no clue where they had to click and that they had to do right click. So implementing a button like this helps them to actually find the information they're looking for. So how can we do that? Let's go into Power BI. Here we are in Power BI. I have my table here and there is drill through functionality. If I right click on any of these months, I can drill through, but it's not really visible. So what we can do is I go to insert and I insert a blank button, just like this. And now I can put in some text there. So I could say, click on a month, then click on this button to drill through. Let's make this a little bit more visible, and I could change all kinds of stuff like the border and these kind of things, not relevant at the moment. And now if I click on this button, it's not automatically a drill through button. What I need to do is I click on it, I go to the format pane and then to the bottom where we have actions. It's really at the bottom. I turn them on and then I say the action is actually drill through. And where does it drill through? To my drill through page, which has the name drill through. So now we see it has changed. Now it's grayed out, which means it's not activated. If you click on it, nothing happens at this moment. But if the user hovers over it, they get some instruction that they need first select a month. So if we do that here, I select May here. We also see here that our button is clickable now and actually leads us to the drill through page. So this is a very, very easy implementation of a button that helps the user to remember that there is a drill through page that they can go to, and it makes it easy to find them. They don't have to do right click. They can do everything with left mouse click, and it's very visible if they can click on it or if they can't click on it. So you make this very easy for your end users. Have you tried this before?